they decide to do it.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, when there is a threat or existing severe weather as the impending hazard, tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. On the latest weather map, low pressure will move north out of Tennessee Valley, State, Ohio, and Lake Erie by this evening. Chance of rain 80%. Christmas Day, mostly strong gusty winds are expected with this storm system across the area. This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG 698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for north central Ohio.